We've said this, don't overload your washing machine. It puts strain on the door switch. It's broken, so if the door is not opening and it's stuck, please don't force it to open, because you'll be forced to replace this. I've just replaced with a new one. Now this is the new door switch. It's a commercial switch. I'll show you how to get it replaced. Ensure it's unplugged from power, and then now we're going to remove the clamp. So we're going to locate the spring. There's a spring down here, and then we get a flat screwdriver. Just pull this out like that. Simple. And after that, we just pull this. We create space where your hand can fit, and then you're going to remove the two screws. And then you grab the door switch like that. It's quite simple. That. Then we pull these out. So they share the same door switch. These are similar. See, very similar. So these two are the same specs. So we plug back the wiring harness like that. Create space. There you go. Then we get our two screws. Then we plug this back just like that. So before we put back the clamp, see if it locks well. There you go. Then we take our clamp. You will need a flat screwdriver and a star screwdriver, like that. So the star comes here, then we use our flat to put this back like that. I use my leg to get hold of it, and then this like this. Like that. Simple. And then we plug it back to power. We need to test it now. So we put it on a quick wash. There we go. Locked. open, close. Done.